So first thing, a puppy should be at least 8 weeks old before it joins a human family. The first 3 weeks really is for the dog to adjust into a human environment. So you want to view your communication training as secure attachment training, which basically is helping the dog to feel confident in the environment we put them in. So all it is, first thing first, is to make sure that you create a healthy routine, a schedule. So the first training really is to train on the routine, right? So potty breaks, sleep-wake cycle should be in place, and understand that a puppy should sleep 16 to 20 hours. And when they are awake, you want to make sure that your interaction with the puppy is healthy and you're beginning to socialize the puppy to understand the environment we put them in. So if you think about it, the puppy uses their nose first, followed by touch, then sight and sound. If you introduce all this experience in a positive manner, the dog is going to learn how to thrive in our environment. And using food, you can actually hand feed and start communicating with the puppy and help them understand how to interact with you in a positive manner. The reward system is how animals and all sentient beings learn. So if you use a positive reinforcement system to train behaviors, you will learn that the puppy is going to grow into a well-adjusted dog in your household.